So one frequently wonders, how often should I test? What should I test for? And where should I test? USP 800, which really guides our approach to managing chemotherapy and hazardous drugs, recommends that one should test surface contamination about every 6 months. And so we believe that that is a place in which one should start. Routine, like every 6 months, is extremely important because those hospitals that frequently test, routinely test, are those that actually have the lower amounts of contamination because they get that information and they do something with that information. We also recommend testing for a variety of different drugs. So our wipe kits suggest 5 drugs as a minimum, and we want you to do it in a range of lots of different drugs. Those that you frequently do, so the more you do them, the higher chance you have for contamination, but also those that come from different classes of drugs because your approach to decontamination might work for one set of drugs, but not work for a different class of drugs. And then the other place we usually recommend is 6 sites, those that are within pharmacy and those that are outside of pharmacy. Those within pharmacy can be your biological safety cabinet counters, the floors around the biological safety cabinets, as well as checking counters, places where you either put finished product or put drugs, vials, because we know there's contamination on the outside of the vials. The other place that one can consider are outside the pharmacy, places where nurses might handle the drugs, where nurses might administer the medications, or any place that might be at risk for contamination. Those are all places that we recommend individuals to test. And then 6 months, we recommend do those same 5 drugs, do those same 6 sites, because then you can sort of have a pattern over time to be able to monitor effectiveness. The hospitals that have been using us for 5 or 6 years regularly are those that actually have some of the lowest contamination rates because they are aware of that information and they act upon that information.